In action. Lights. Yeah, we're going to take off 27. The runway just makes sense. I mean, it actually doesn't really matter. It's 3 knots of wind. Two 216, 352. Two 323. Just me. Good, good. Integrity okay. I'm gonna go direct I69er. Home sweet home. All right, I'll get there. Interesting. Oh, I typed in the wrong number. 352 2323. This is November 536 Sierra Papa looking to pick up my IFR to I69er. All right, direct to I69 as filed, maintain 3,000 on departure, 6,000 within 10 minutes, frequency 128.25, walk 4160. 35, 12835. Or 160, 128.35. All right, give me a few minutes. I'm gonna go, I gotta cross the ramp about 10 minutes. I'll give you a call back. Thank you. All right, let's get moving. Get some airflow through this thing. Two 8. Do I have a chalk over there?
The main alcohol is crossing overhead, right down.
Nope. Good. I didn't look before I got in. That would have sucked if I would have had to turn off my engine to go get off.
Golf 6 final for Ethan Bay.
Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is taxiing via Bravo to 18. All right, everything's on, everything's good, good, good. Fuel's good, all that's good. Landing light, gotcha. I could barely hear her. No, you can't hear anyone. Do you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah. There's no one talking right now. This is an untowered airport, so that means that you have to make all your own radio calls. I haven't seen one of those before. Tells you what way the wind's blowing from.
Okay, yeah.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen one. That's a bird. Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is crossing runway 27 on via Bravo.
So pilots just communicate with each other, make sure nobody gets in the way, I guess.
Yep. That's the way my airport is too. There's no tower. We just announce to each other. I think that's a better way to learn, honestly, because like flying in towered airports is way easier because you just do what you're told. That's it.
You don't have to think.
You don't have to think. You just do what you're told. Unless it's something dangerous, obviously.
Bay traffic, helicopter 26 Lima Alpha, right down 13.
But here you have to think like, oh, what kind of pattern am I supposed to fly? Oh, who else is in the pattern? Do I have to look for them? You have to do all your stuff yourself. It makes a lot more difficult. Like I said, for learning perspective, I think non-towered is harder and definitely, like towered's definitely more intimidating because you mess up at a non-towered, people who know are the people at the non-towered, where if you mess up at a towered airport, it's a little more serious. But
Bay traffic, helicopter 26 Lima Alpha, right base final 3.
good. Leave it approach, Scott 536 Air Papa on first in line at runway 18. One 126.35 for the frequency on departure. Flight 180, void in 7, if not off in 7 minutes. All right, talk to you in a bit. All right, good to go. Strobe, landing. Full mixture. Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is taking off runway 18. Good, good, good. Airspeed's alive, fuel flow is good, oil pressure's good. 85. Rotate. A little bumpy.
Runway 97, Skyhawk 63 Romeo, left crosswind 23 runway.
Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa departing to the south, see ya. Cleveland approach, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is 1,500 feet, climbing 3,000.
Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, clear depart to the altitude check, ident, climb and maintain 6,000.
Look for the flash, climb, maintain 6,000, 536 Sierra Papa.
6 Sierra Papa, direct contact 2 south of Port Clinton, pursue direct to India 69.
Direct I69, 536 Sierra Papa.
Number 7 Mike Alpha, thank you.
Columbus approach, Cock 536 Sierra Papa, requested a climb to 8,000, look for smoother air.
Sir, 536 Sierra Papa, standby.
Columbus approach, this is Captain 39 at 3500 feet. Requesting flight on to K-Day.
Number 536 Sierra Papa, climb maintain 8,000.
Climb maintain 8,000, 536 Sierra Papa.
Number 61 Sierra Alpha, climb maintain 8,000. Cap 1139, Columbus approach, the date number is 3002. Advising you have information Yankee at Dayton. Expect runway 24 left.
Expect runway 24 left, altimeter setting 3002. Advise when we have Yankee. Cap 1139, thank you.
Number 937 Mike Alpha, turn right heading 150.
All right, let's climb and get out of this bumps if we can. I just saw the weather at CVG. They're reporting cloud bases at 5,000.
Flight 6 November, Escher, descend maintain 4,000.
So the clouds are just slowly sinking.
Yeah.
See if I can't find us some smoother air up here. Probably will. Look at that. You see the vortices inside that clouds? Like, look, you see the little hooks?
Yeah.
That's the air jostling around inside there.
Volatile.
Yeah. That's why there's a lot of little bumps.
Run a 337 to 6,000.
Down to 6,000.
It's already smoother.
Yeah.
Press 337, this is Cincinnati approaches request. Maintain 180 knots or less. So I guess your number 3 falls. Slow guys, Lunkin.
Alright, 180 or less, Colonel 337.
Number 937, Mike Alpha, you're 5 miles from set speed. Turn right heading 210. Maintain 3,000 to your stops on the 7 approach. Clear to
1,000 feet to
24
8.
approach Springfield.
Flying on top, baby.
November 6 Sierra Papa, descend and maintain 3000.
Sporty's Claremont County Air.
Descend, maintain 3000, 536 Sierra Papa.
0.
Yep, that's where it gets bumpy. Once you start getting below the clouds, and then it's, you know, the air is becoming a little more unstable. And well, that stinks. We're going to land right above that one. We're going to go right below this one, it looks like. Go right through the bottom of it.
Counter any rain.
Huh?
Didn't counter any rain, did we?
No. If we would have flown through a cloud, we would have gotten a little wet. What I think's funny is look at all of the bug splats we've gotten up here.
Feet.
When I go watch the time lapse of this, you can just see the bugs. Like over the time lapse, you see the bugs splatting on the window.
Watching fast, it probably looks like a meteor shower hit.
Airport's almost 10 miles away, 15 miles away, so it should start slowly coming into sight.
November 6 Sierra Papa, maintain VFR at or above 3,500 for opposite direction traffic.
3,500 VFR, 536 Sierra Papa, we'll be looking for that traffic. What's their altitude?
So traffic is at your 1 o'clock or about 1 to 12 o'clock and 9 miles northeastbound altitude indicates 2,600.
2,600, I'll be on the lookout for that traffic, 536 Sierra Papa.
November 6 Sierra Papa, additional traffic at your 10 o'clock and 4 miles northwestbound altitude indicates 4,500.
Looking out for both traffics, 536 Sierra Papa. So we got one coming above us over here, and then one coming below us over here.
clouds.
No. It's out there somewhere. Yeah, he's really close to us. $4,500 traffic's no factor, 5360 Papa, and neither is the other traffic. It's going below us, 5360 Papa.
Yeah, the other traffic should be passing just below you, about 1,000 feet below you. You said you had those inside as well?
Yep, the one's past me, and the other one I have inside going below me, 5360 Papa.
Number 60 Papa, okay, thank you. Descend and maintain 3,000, and you're just planning on a visual approach at Claremont County today, right?
Yes, sir. Visual approach, weather's calling for 2-2.
Okay. Number 60 Papa, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 5360 Papa. Literally, and we all crossed at the same time. What's the chances?
Yeah. I looked, I didn't see any of either one of them.
I saw the one as he went over my wing right here, but the other one I saw out here before he got in front of us. But yeah, I mean, they were close. They were within margins, but it's just crazy. At the airport site. Since I approached Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, I have the airport in sight.
November 536 Sierra Papa, clear visual approach, Claremont County.
Clear visual approach 536 Sierra Papa, Claremont County.
November 6 Sierra Papa, change device frequency is approved for cancellation of IFR in there on this frequency or on the ground via the remote.
Go ahead and cancel IFR. I'll go in visual 536 Sierra Papa. Thanks for your help today.
November 6 Sierra Papa, thank you. IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, and have a good day.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is at 2,800 foot, sending 7 mile final runway 22. So the airport's over there. I'm just setting up for a straight in.
Okay, yeah, we're going that way, okay.
I'll make room for you guys.
Traffic Urban 11 Charlie Yankee, 3 mile final runway 4, start to land runway 22, Claremont.
Did the winds change?
4,900 scat.
Silver Cub 2. Copy, your radio calls are unreadable. Silver Cub 2 on to the south, give you guys room.
Cleveland County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa is on a 3-mile final runway 22.
Okay, traffic, German 11 Charlie Yankee is on left downwind, runway 22, circle land. Yes, left downwind, runway 22, circle land. Bye-bye.
Traffic not available.
Cleveland County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, short final runway 22. There's that traffic that's on final.
Cleveland County, Silver Cub, midfield downwind 22. Cleveland traffic, 11 Charlie Yankee, turning left is 22, Cleveland. Cleveland traffic, 11 Charlie Yankee, final 22, Cleveland.
A little bit off center there. Cleveland County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, roll clear 22. Little off center. I came in a little hot. I came in a little fast and then a little bit of wind and I got a little bit of a bounce and it kind of on the right wheel at first and it just kind of pushed me off.
Balance.
Gotta maintain positive control.
Doubted you.
Huh?
I never doubted you.
As soon as I started going right, I was like, all right. Control, Andrew, control. Good.